Throughout history, humanity has stood at the precipice of numerous industrial revolutions, each reshaping our world in unimaginable ways. Today we find ourselves on the cusp of a new era, not of steam or steel, but of silicon and software. Welcome to QuantumMind AI. Today we present Artificial Intelligence and the Future of Work, where we explore this uncharted terrain, examining how AI is redrawing the boundaries of industries, careers, and the very nature of work itself. In the healthcare industry, AI's impact is already tangible. Take the case of Zebra Medical Vision, an Israel-based startup. They've developed an AI algorithm capable of detecting lung cancer in CT scans with a remarkable 90% accuracy. Substantially higher than the average human radiologist, this not only enhances diagnostic capabilities but also alleviates the workload for medical professionals, allowing them to focus more on patient care. Moving over to the world of finance, AI is revolutionizing the way we handle money. JP Chase, one of the world's largest banks, introduced COIN, which is an abbreviation for Contract Intelligence, an AI program that interprets commercial loan agreements. Previously, this task took their legal team an average of 360,000 hours. Now it's accomplished in mere seconds. This exemplifies how AI can streamline processes, boosting efficiency and accuracy. Even the creative industry isn't immune to AI's reach. OpenAI's ChatGPT, a language prediction model, is capable of producing human-like text. It can create anything from poetry to well-structured articles, challenging the notion that creativity is an exclusively human trait. While it doesn't replace human creatives, it offers a new set of tools for them to explore and integrate into their work. Like a digital Prometheus, AI is bestowing upon us capabilities once thought impossible. Let's delve into case studies across different sectors. In the heart of automated factories, AI-driven robots work tirelessly, boosting efficiency but also raising questions about the human workforce. In the corridors of medicine, AI algorithms diagnose diseases with precision, often surpassing their human counterparts. In the world of finance, AI systems analyze market data with superhuman speed, creating new opportunities and risks. In this new world, the line between human and machine labor blurs. Let's explore this symbiotic relationship. AI tools aid artists and writers, augmenting creativity rather than replacing it. In technology sectors, AI becomes a partner in problem-solving, offering insights derived from vast data pools. In the service sector, AI's role in customer service exemplifies a blend of efficiency and human touch. As AI reshapes industries, it also redefines the skills needed to thrive. What are these skills, and how can we acquire them? Understanding AI and machine learning basics is becoming as fundamental as literacy. Skills like critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence become invaluable in an AI-dominated landscape. The concept of lifelong learning emerges as crucial in keeping pace with technological advancements. As we journey through this AI-driven epoch, the future of work may seem daunting, yet it brims with potential. It's a narrative still being written, one where human ingenuity collaborates with artificial intelligence to redefine what it means to work. Now I turn to you, dear viewers. How do you see AI impacting your career? What skills do you believe will be most valuable in this new era? Share your thoughts and let's continue this vital conversation. In this ever-evolving landscape, navigating the complexities of AI can be daunting. That's where QuantumMind AI steps in. At QuantumMind AI, we understand the intricacies of artificial intelligence and its implications on various industries. Our team of experts offers bespoke consulting services, helping businesses adapt to and thrive in the AI era. From tailor-made AI strategies to upskilling workshops, QuantumMind AI empowers your organization to harness the full potential of artificial intelligence. With QuantumMind AI, step confidently into the future, embracing the transformative power of AI in your business. Visit our website, QuantumMindAILLC.com, to learn more about us. In conclusion, AI is not a distant future concept. It's a present-day reality, already changing the landscape of healthcare, finance, and creativity. It augments human capabilities, streamlines processes, and offers new ways to approach traditional tasks. However, as we stride into this new era, it's crucial to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement. The future of work, driven by AI, will be a symbiosis of human intuition and machine intelligence. each enhancing the other to create a more efficient, innovative, and inclusive world. Thank you for watching QuantumMind AI, elevating AI innovation